What you do, this is the tricky part, and it's the more fun part. You start to put your fries on the burger. Your fries on the burger. And that way, it saves you time for when you're trying to rush and eat your food. You already have half of your fries already eaten. Now you put the bun on top, and now you just go straight in.
I'm Isabel. I'm gonna do Michael's makeup today. He's very excited and happy. First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a cotton swab. This is a cotton ball. And I'm gonna just gonna clean off his face. So it's dirty, you know. Do you feel the wetness? Mm-hmm. Now I'm moisturizing Michael's face. That shit dry. I'm kidding. We're gonna prime Michael's face using the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer.
Fuck you.
Michael said that his eyelids feel heavier with makeup on.
I think according to like physics, you know, putting things on things make things heavier.
That is true. What's your grade?
I'd have.
Me too! I'm so happy. I hate straight boys. They're always like, that shit gay.
Get for pay.
Yeah, we have something 24th or something.
What day?
24th?
Is it what day?
I know, me too. And I sat right in front of him. Keep looking straight. Or look gay if you want.
Oh yeah.
After all this time, I'm still into you. I was like, I have no friends. Push you!
It's concealer because it's way too dark for me. Go like this, Michael. No. But like, who's this right here?
Oh wait. No.
Oh my god!
Okay, close your eyes. Just close your eyes. I'm done with your eyelashes.
Oh my god, I thought you were gonna rip out my eyelashes.
Cheers.
Like the god.
Michael, we're almost done. As wet as I can. Okay.
I feel like cake.
I know, it smells amazing. Ready, Michael? Look down like this. Ooh!
Yeah!
Now this way? Yeah! Okay, bye guys!
Bye.
Subscribe and like down below, please.
What the fuck?